Alright, men, it's time to put some of our glorious animations onto a website. In order to do that, we can't use the basic file that we use. We can't use a .fla, which is a Flash document. That's an internal working document that is set up to utilize all the things that Flash has. So we want to export it as something that's optimized for the web, something a little more that's smaller, be easier to use on a web page. So if you just think of how long Flash takes to load, we wouldn't want anything like that to happen on our web page. So we're going to go to File and Export, and this is something that's common on a lot of programs, and we're going to export it as a movie. You can do any of the Flash ones you want. And notice this has a new file extension, a SWF, SWF, which stands for Shockwave Format. So if you've ever been playing a video game and the Shockwave player crashed, that's what you have. So I'm going to export it to the desktop. You should find it maybe with a slightly different icon. And if you double click on it, it should play just in a web browser, because that's where it's made to go. Mine didn't have any animations, but sorry, it's running in Flash Player, which is a website plugin. So now what you have to do is go onto Google and look up how to insert a Flash drawing into a web page, because there's some code you can cut and paste. And then all you have to do is swap out the file name, which in this case would be basicshapes.swf or whatever you saved yours as. So that's the challenge.